Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Motorola One Fusion Plus, for the first you have to go for your clock right here, and right now we have to be in the alarm section. So when you enter and you will be in the clock, for example, we have to switch for the alarm by just tapping on it. And right now we got two examples of the clocks, so we have to enter maybe for this one. And here we can set up the days. When we want to get this alarm, we can also set up the repeat option. Here we can activate or deactivate the vibration, and of course we can change the vibration pattern right here. And we can also try to change the music of our clock. So when we enter right here, we get here the sound. And also we can set up the Google Assistant routine. And so, for example, when we dismiss the alarm, we can, for example, activate something that the assistant is going to tell us about the weather or the calendar. And we can also then play the news, podcast, audiobook, wherever you want. And to turn it on, you have to just tap on the switcher. And when the hour is shining on the blue color, it means that it's activated. So that's how you can set it up. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.